Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to do some polyline work. So it's up here next to the line command. You've got polyline, or you can type in P-line. Okay. Now the picture there shows you can do different shapes. You can do multiple things. So we'll start off here. So we'll just start there. We'll do 500 mil, so it's a good size for our thing. Now down the bottom you've got specify the next point or choose these different commands. So we're going to select A for an arc. As you can see, we've now begun to getting an arc. I want to keep it uniform with that, so we'll go up there to about 200 mil. That creates the arc. And we can even do the same. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Back here, so let's go 175. And then we'll go back that way, 100. Now we need to go back to line. And let's call it 300 mil. Now we're going to choose an arc again. But this time we're going to choose angle. Of 113. And there you have it. That is a polyline shape using some straights, using some arcs, some angles. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.